What's up, guys, and welcome back to Adventure Boat. My name is Kelly. We're here at Overland Expo PNW, bringing you the awesomest, newest Overland kit. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm here at the Pact booth with Jake, and Jake, you guys have something that I got pointed out to at Morphlate, and they said this thing is rad. I really want to know all about it.
Yeah, so Pact Outdoors, we exist to make it easier and more sustainable to poop in the woods. Everybody does it. Unfortunately, it's something we talk about, and if you don't do it right, it can be something that closes down our public lands and affects access for people. So we're like, let's make better products that make it easier and more sustainable to do so.
And there's a lot of places you go and you just find those nasty trails of people doing their business out in the woods, and it's unnecessary.
Yeah.
So what's your solution?
Well, on a high level, we're like, let's not blame folks. Let's make better tools for them that make it easier to be prepared. So there's two parts to the Pact system. First part are called Pact wipes. These are dehydrated and compressed. So you put a little squirt of water on them and they unfold into a wet 9-inch towel. So they save you space and they're free of all the chemicals and additives that come in conventional wet wipes that slow down decomposition. So gets you clean like a wet wipe, but a lot lighter and just a lot less impactful from an environmental standpoint. So that's part one. Part two are called Pact tabs. They're little wooden plugs inoculated with mycelium spores. What's mycelium? It's the root system for fungi. It branches out underground, decomposing things. Our species, when you put it in the hole with your poop, breaks your poop down faster. It also kills bacteria like E. coli that get into waterways, harm wildlife, things like that. So we take these two pieces and we package them up in all-in-one kits. So this is our Pact Light kit, a week's worth of bathroom supplies, all stored in the handle of the shovel. So you got a comfortable shovel, tells you how deep you got to dig your hole, and then inside of that, we store 15 wipes in this little Pez dispenser-like tray, and then your Pact tabs are right in here. So you have everything you need to do your business easily and sustainably in the woods.
And it's all in one really tight, compact package.
That's right, yeah. We think about it, it's like you have kits for everything you do outdoors. First aid, cooking, you name it. Why, if this is something we do every day, do we not have the same kind of kit that makes it easy to throw in your pack or your bag and hit the trails?
Jake, I gotta say, this thing is amazing. Like I will have at least one of these in every rig and one in my backpack at all times.
Love hearing that, and that's what we hear from folks. They're like, why would I not just keep this in the glove box for emergencies, whether I'm going out on a big trip or just driving around?
Excellent. All right, and what's the price point on these?
Yeah, so this retails for $35 and it comes with wipes and tabs, fully stocked. We also make a larger kit that has more supplies in it, a little more bells and whistles for $50. You can get our refills through all REI stores nationwide, through our website and Amazon as well.
Excellent. Well, Jake, these are amazing. You guys got to be sure to check these out. Go to the website, go to REI. Jake, thanks so much.
Dude, appreciate it. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm here at RecPak with Carl. And Carl, you guys have something that I've never seen before. Tell me all about it.
So RecPak is a ready-to-go meal. It's 6.7 ounces. You add 12 ounces of water. You shake it, drink it. You don't have to heat the water. And the other plus to it is it's got 700 calories, 42 grams of protein, and 25% of your daily vitamin intake.
Wow, so this is it a meal or is it a full day's meal?
It is a meal or meal replacement. I've gone pretty much most of the day with one in the morning. So, I mean, you could call it a full meal for the day.
Okay, definitely. Excellent. And then who is your target market for this? Is it overlanders, backpackers, ultra runners?
So I think this product has a niche in all those markets. We kind of want to target everyone in the outdoor industry. And even people that are not in the outdoor industry, I think it has a place for a little bit of everything.
I agree. I could see myself stacking 10 of these into a bin of my kit and then go off on the trail, and you always have a backup if you don't use them just every day.
Yeah, definitely. And the other plus is we have an 18th month shelf life, so you could definitely do that. Keep some in a survival pack, in your rig, in your camper. I keep one in the bottom of my backpack for emergencies. So for sure.
Excellent. And what do these run price-wise?
So our retail price is $12.99. A lot of the shows, or you can find some discount codes, we do 20%. So that makes them $10 a meal. And then the other thing that we do, because we are a veteran-based and owned company, we do a lifetime 20% for veterans, service, and teachers.
And that's awesome. Carl, what flavors do you have with this?
So right now we have vanilla chai, chocolate, and coffee. And I will say, like with the coffee one, it does have 150 milligrams of caffeine. And our vanilla chai and chocolate do not. It's only 2 cups, so it's not too bad.
That'll get me going in the morning.
Yeah.
Carl, where can people find these products at?
So you can find us online. We are on Amazon and also our own website at RecPakCompany.com. And if you go to our website, you're able to use some of the discount codes. Amazon does not recognize our discount codes, but we also do, because we are a veteran-owned and based company, we do a lifetime 20% for veterans, service, and or teachers.
Excellent. You guys got to be sure, check out RecPak. The fact that you can add water to a ready-made meal is awesome. Carl, thank you so much. I appreciate your time.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, guys, I'm here at Stod Gear with Nikki. And Nikki, you guys have a brand new line of really, really cool gear. Tell me what you got.
Right. Yeah, we have a lot of new things that we've just come out with this year. We came up with a new product called a Road Ruck, which is a product that you can use on your seat back, or you could mount it to some L-track in a van or something like that, that organizes all kinds of small things that you need to carry with you in your adventures. So it's a great way to organize things and store things.
It's perfect because you always need a way for those little things to not get misplaced,
Yes,
which I am
exactly.
an absolute worst at.
Yes, yeah, it's a great way to keep all those things stored, and that way you know where they're at and it's easy to find them. So it works really well.
Awesome. And the whole thing's modular, right? You can kind of configure it to
Yes.
suit your needs.
Yes, exactly. All the pouches are removable. They Velcro onto the front panel, so they can be taken off, and you can put them in different configurations, so totally customizable for your own needs. The whole thing can be mounted in different ways. Like I said, you can put it on an L-track. You can mount it to a seat back with your headrest posts, or all kinds of different ways. It also has a pocket in the back that is a kind of a, we call it the sneaky pocket. It's a great way to store a laptop or things that you don't want to be obvious to passersby to see. So it's a great way to store things that you want to kind of keep on the down low. And also the Road Ruck can be mounted, you can daisy chain them to each other. So you can mount another one beneath it, or you can go 2 or 3 deep if you want to, and just have a lot of extra storage there. So it works out really well that way.
I tell you, anything that comes with a little mini carabiner in the Overland community is gold. So that's
Right,
cool.
right,
Okay,
yeah.
now you also have another a dishwashing type of bag. It's a mesh bag. What's that all about?
Yeah. New Mesh Bucket is a product that we invented off of another mesh bucket that we have from Last US Bag Company. We decided we wanted to step it up a notch and give it some other functionality to make it even more versatile for our end users. We put some webbing on the front or all the way around it, so that you can put cooking utensils and eating utensils and that kind of thing in there, so that you can dry them after you do your dishes. It's a great way to just do your dishes, get them all clean, stick them in there, and let them air dry, and you don't have to touch them again. It's also a great tool that you can use for foraging if you want to go out and collect some chanterelle mushrooms or something like that. The polyvinyl mesh is super easy to clean, and because it's mesh, it allows air to flow through it, which is awesome, and it works really great for that. So
I'm getting one to pick huckleberries because that's the thing you do in Montana.
Right.
And I am a true Montananite today,
Yes,
right now.
you
So,
are.
and I really like the idea of not having to dry your dishes.
Yes.
You can just put them in there. It's stands
Yes.
up. It's self-drying. That's really nice.
yeah, it works out great for that.
Perfect.
So.
Now, what are the price points on those 2 items?
So the price on our website on the Road Ruck, which is the seat back organizer, is $154, and then the mesh bucket on our website is $40, and it just gives you lots of functionality, and they're just super great products, fun new things to add to your kit that's going to make your adventures even more exciting. So
Excellent. And where can people find those at, Nikki?
on our website at stodgear.com, STODGEAR.com.
Awesome. You guys got to be here to check it out. Stod is just awesome. I'm still using the wood gator to this very day. It's in my truck right now. It's sitting in the Super Ute. You guys make a great kit. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Kelly. Appreciate you.